LED button. It lights up green, and when you touch it, it lights up red, and it starts opening the door. The same thing happening for the closing. You just touch it, and it will close the door. Okay, how it connects? It has 4 wires coming out. So by the main connection to the harness, it goes black to black, green goes to the yellow and blue, and red and yellow goes to the 12 volts. To the find the 12 volts in the breaker box or someplace where the 12 volts. So I found the 12 volts that activated only when car is on. When car is off, this button will turn off. Just touch it, work just like this. Okay, it works. Opening one more time.